Hello students, I am Mrs. Prachi Kalpande from Pravin Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, here today to discuss about experiment number 16, that is the implementation of 4-bit arithmetic and logic unit. So as we know the concept of arithmetic and logic unit, that means it can do addition, subtraction. So that here we are talking about binary addition, binary subtraction, and also it can perform all logical operations as well. So here you can see it's a arithmetic unit block diagram. So there are 4-bit unit input A and 4-bit inputs B. So and the select line is also is a 3-bit 4-bit sorry, and the output arithmetic and the output is 4-bit, that is 0 to 3. So this is 4-bit arithmetic and logic unit, therefore all the inputs are of 4-bit. So here you can see the select line is of 3 bits and the operation performs are shown depending upon the select lines. So when the select line is 0 0 0, so addition operation will take place of 4 bits. So A is 4-bit and B is 4-bit. So binary addition will take place of this 4-bit inputs. When select line is 0 0 1, the inputs 4-bit inputs A and B will be subtracted from A. And when the select line is 0 1 0, the output will be A minus 1. That means 1 will be subtracted from 4-bit binary input A. When the select line is 0 1 1, binary 1 will be added to 4-bit input A. When the select line is 1 0 0, binary inputs A and B will be ANDed. So here the logical operation take place and the logical operation is AND operation. And if the select line is 1 0 1, then logical OR operation will take place between A and B. When the select line is 1 1 0, A will be inverted. And when the select line is 1 1 1, XOR operation will take place between A and B. So this is the truth table of 4-bit arithmetic and logic unit, which we will be implementing using VHDL code. Here you can see the VHDL code for arithmetic and logic unit. So here the input ports A and B are described as 4 bits, select line as 3-bit and output as 4-bit. So here is the architecture of ALU and it is of behavioral model. So the whole program is written here. You can see the VHDL code using the case statement. Now after writing the VHDL code, we have to first edit that code in the software. So here you can see opening the source code and the whole program is edited here. And after that we have to go for check status, check syntax. So to find any syntax error in the program, the next step is to find to go for simulation process, and in that we have to check for behavioral syntax error if any. If any it is there, then it will be highlighted. If not, then this green tick will be shown as it is shown here. And once everything is perfect, then we will go for simulation. So next step is to simulate behavior model, and after that this window will be opened. So this is the output showing the first select line, that is 0 0 0, and operation addition, binary addition will be taking place, and the whole output is displayed here. So you can see here. The next, for the select input 0 0 1, this is the output. For select input 0 1 0, this is the output, and subtraction operation will take place, that is binary 1 will be subtracted from 4-bit input A, For select input 0 1 1, addition operation will take place, but binary 1 is added to 4-bit input A. So if the select line is 1 0 0, then AND operation will take place. So logical AND operation will take place. And if the select line is 1 0 1, then the logical OR operation will take place. If the select line is 1 1 0, then A will be inverted or complemented. And if the select line is 1 1 1, then the XOR operation will take place. So this is how we have to verify the output with our truth table and check the verification. So this is all about the experiment. Thank you.